Hello guys, welcome back to another Kotlin programming tutorial. In this episode we are going to learn about how to use interfaces in Kotlin. Interfaces are another way to implement data abstraction in Kotlin. An interface contains abstract variables, abstract and non-abstract methods. So now I am going to create an example that demonstrates how to use interfaces in a Kotlin program. To create an interface, you have to use the keyword interface. Now specify the interface name. An interface contains abstract variables, abstract methods and non-abstract methods. First here I am going to create some abstract variables. So here I create three abstract variables. For create abstract variables in an interface, there is no need to use the keyword abstract. Now I'm going to create an abstract method. So this is an abstract method. Now I am going to create a non-abstract method. So this is an example of interface. Now I'm going to create a class that implement this interface. So create a class called car that implement the interface vehicle. So now you need to override all the abstract variables and abstract methods inside this class. Implement members. You need to override these three abstract variables and abstract method. For the variable name, specify some value for it. Now specify the fuel type. Now specify the color. So here we override the method, abstract method called available fuel type. Now from the main method, we can create an object of the class called car. Now we can call the needed methods. Available fuel type. Now display available colors. Okay. Now we can check the program output. Run the program. So this is the program output. So this is how we use an interface in a Kotlin program.